Okay, aloha guys. Hey, so I'm gonna show you guys one shrimp recipe today. Super simple. I got it from one of my cooks when I was working at when I was in one of the Marriotts that I was the chef at, and was a super simple recipe. And when we first look at the recipe, we all thought, nah, not gonna be too good. But when we try them, the thing was actually pretty ono, bro. Ono enough so we didn't go use them inside a lounge and whatnot, yeah. So as specials and on the app menu. So the recipe is super simple. The thing called for Hawaiian salt. But if you know more Hawaiian salt, you can use kosher salt. No use table salt. You can use kosher salt, use sea salt or something. Gonna be pretty close. But for the Hawaiian salt part, the thing called for 3 teaspoons Hawaiian salt, right? So 3 teaspoons. But what they like you do, they like you pesto and they like you grind them up. So what I do over here is I just go use the Japanese pesto and mortar, yeah? So 3 teaspoons. And then, or you can just use a coffee grinder, go use your blender or whatever. And just crush them up. Just like make them small, you know what I mean? Just kind of little fine crush kind. So the thing not so, you know, Hawaiian salt, the thing take long time to dissolve, right? So let me go get this thing little crush up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I kind of pesto and mortar the thing, so I grind them up a little bit, yeah, so the thing is a little more fine. So what I get over here now is I get 1 cup canola oil, and canola oil because no more it's neutral flavor, right? No taste to them. And then I get 3 tablespoons, I can put the recipe then, but 3 tablespoons honey. If your honey too thick, just throw them in the microwave a little while, just sort of, you know, heat them up a little bit so that thing come more runny. But so right here is 1 cup canola and 3 tablespoons honey. Then I'm gonna add the 3 teaspoon Hawaiian salt that I grind up. Okay. Okay, now the thing also called for shoyu. Okay, so the thing like you put 2 teaspoons shoyu inside. So yeah, I put 1 and 2. Okay, then you like put 2 cloves garlic. 2 cloves garlic. Well, I just say using the chopped garlic in the bottle. That's what I get. That's why. So, but 2 cloves grated up or chopped garlic, okay? So you put 1 and 2, okay? You can put fresh garlic, that's fine. I only get the bottle one now, so that's what I put in inside. And then after that, the last thing the thing called for is Tabasco sauce. Now Tabasco sauce was whatever you like put inside. That's what the recipe we call for. So us guys, we put kind of plenty. I mean, 5, 6, 7 dashes. You know what I mean? If you like more, put more. If you don't like too much, no, put too much. But hey, that's the recipe right there, bro. So that's the whole thing. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend this thing up a little bit. Let me get one little whisk over here. Hang on. Okay. So all you're gonna do is just blend this thing up a little bit. Now you see my honey, yeah? The things are kind of thick, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw this thing in the microwave a little while. Oh no, the thing broken up now. Anyway, if the thing is that kind, you see the honey all stuck like that. I get one orange blossom honey and it's kind of cold over here right now, so I'm gonna throw this in the microwave a little bit, and I go blend them up for you. Then I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna do right after. Okay, we prepare the shrimp. I show you guys how to prepare the shrimp, how to do them, and then you're gonna hibachi this thing. Now, no matter what, we didn't try pan fry them. We didn't try put them in the oven. We didn't do everything. Hibachi tastes the best, bro. I mean, in the restaurant we use the broiler, right? But if you get Choco Hibachi, this one, that's the best, bro. I mean, that thing get way better flavor than any other way of cooking them. So let me go get everything prepped up for you and I'll be right back, okay? Okay guys, so I will put them in the microwave a little while and then I make a little warm so the honey melt down, so now I blend it. So the way that we prep the shrimp is, you're not going to peel them, you're just going to cut them from the back and devein them and then butterfly them a little bit more. You know what I mean? So the thing can kind of open up like that. You understand what I'm saying to you? So you can kind of open up. And what you're going to do with the sauce is, every time you dip the shrimp, mix the sauce up a little bit. You know what I mean? Don't just keep dipping and no put the kind. So dip them in the sauce and just lay them flat on a plate like that. Yeah? Open up the shrimp. Some of them we never cut, but no take off the shell, because the shell is what gonna hold in the sauce flavor, yeah? So mix up the sauce, throw the shrimp inside. That's all you gotta do, just like that, bro. Just lay them flat like that. You know what I mean? Okay? Again, mix the sauce. Dip the shrimp inside. And just lay them flat on the plate. And then let me go take care of this kind, and then my friends are making the hibachi ready outside. But you gotta let this thing sit for 1 hour. You know what I mean? Let them sit for 1 hour. And so the thing kind of marinate, hour, half like that. We find that 1 hour is enough. The recipe called for 1 hour. Okay? So let me go get the rest of this thing done, so no bore you guys with all this kind of stuff. And then I will show you guys when we throw them on the hibachi. Okay? Just remember, every time you dip one shrimp, mix them up. Mix up the sauce. So get everything around. Dip the shrimp and just lay them flat like that. Okay? I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, so then my plate of shrimp, okay? So remember, mix the sauce all the time. Dip them in, butterfly them, dip them in, just lay them down like that, lay them flat. Now you gotta let them sit for 1 hour. You can't let them sit in the refrigerator for 1 hour or outside, depending on how hot your house is. If your house is hot like hell, just throw them in the refrigerator. But just let them sit for 1 hour. Then I will show you guys when we hibachi in the final product. I tell you guys, gotta give this recipe one try, bro. The thing's super simple. No sound like gonna taste good, but the thing is ono, bro. So anyway, let me go let this thing sit for an hour. Get the hibachi going, and then I'll show you guys cook off a couple pieces, a few pieces, and then show you the final product. Okay? We see you guys in a little bit, bro. Okay, guys. So we get them on the fire now. We just put them on top. You guys watch them though, yeah. No, just walk away from them, because the thing cook fast. You know what I mean? You know when you pull out this kind, the shrimp, the thing. So we put them on top. You can just put the cover on a little while, make them cook through. Anyway, let me go get this thing cooked up, and then I'll be back, okay? In a little bit. I'll see you guys in a bit. Anyway, we check on them. She getting there. Take about 5-6 minutes. Like I said, no overcook them, but the thing get all tough out of that. But shrimp, you can eat them raw, but some people, they don't like that kind. But anyway, it's getting there. Okay, let me go finish this up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, here's the final product, yeah? So, for as simple as this recipe is, you guys gotta give it a try, because the thing is just ono, bro. I mean, I don't know how to put it or what, but we was real shocked when we tried them the first time, enough to where even when we serve them at the restaurant, guys ask us, hey, what's the recipe for your shrimp? You know what I mean? And well, here's the recipe, bro. So anyway, I'm gonna have the full recipe at the end of this video. And thank you guys for watching and commenting and whatnot. I appreciate it, bro. I mean, you know what I mean? I do this as for fun kind, but it helps when you guys like look for some videos. And I know I never do videos long time. So anyway, so you guys take care out there, yeah. You guys stay safe with everything going on, and chicken katsu video, shrimp tempura video coming up pretty soon. These we just was going to eat them anyway, so we figured we'd make one video on how this thing look. Yeah. So again, you guys take care and stay blessed out there. You guys always stay blessed, and you know, Jesus always love you guys, bro, no matter what. All right. Take care, and we shall see you guys on the next video. Aloha. Unreal,